Hello everyone. It's been a long time. First and foremost, I have to thank everyone for commenting on that last video, and yeah, it really means a lot. All the comments were so kind, and I appreciate y'all. And yeah, so we went away for a little while and got a new lease on life here, and we're excited to get back out on the road, start making videos again. I have a new pilot in life. His name is Jesus Christ. So got myself baptized, and yeah, we're gonna start trying to live a little differently now. And hopefully my changes are gonna be reflected on the videos. You know, I'm gonna be working on my language and just being more positive. Check this thing out. Smash truck. It goes to the garbage cans and crushes everything down. Pretty crazy. But yeah, truck is about the same, y'all. Added the logo for YouTube, but other than that, everything's looking good on the truck. Everything seems to be fine. Figured out that my batteries were under power. They went dead also. So got some new batteries, and yeah, no more lights are coming on. So everything seems to be great on the truck. Got the Dometic replaced again. So we are ready to go out and see how this goes. Yeah, here goes the journey. We're at Orlando again, picking up these AC units. So getting ready to load up. We'll go ahead and load up, and we're just going to Northwest Georgia. I guess it's paying about $3.06 a mile, so that'll work. Oh, I did fill up the truck before my last video there. So, you know, if you want to save money and gas in this new economy here, just go ahead and fill up and then park your truck for 4 months and implode your life, and then come back. So for more gas saving tips, go ahead and follow KDL Hotshot. Here we go, y'all. I'm glad to be back. Hopefully, to all the people who deleted my channel, I get it. You know, hopefully I'm gonna earn your trust back here, and we can get back making some videos and having some happier content around here. All right, let's do this. Well, the very first pickup, something was wrong and load's not ready. So now I have to wait, and they're looking for another, trying to put together another load for me. So guess I'll have some pizza and hang out in my lounge area, you know. That's right. Positive. I get some relaxed time. I can find a new show to watch or read or something. Here we go. Oh, not bad, right? DiGiorno from last night. Well, guys, we're getting ready to go, and look at this. Lock the keys in the truck. Hopefully my man here is going to be able to get this taken care of quickly. But yeah, the load wasn't ready to go yesterday, so now we turned around, came home, and getting ready to leave this morning. Put the keys on the ground, knelt on them by accident. That hit the door lock. Started the truck up because I was fiddling with the cooler. Closed the door. Came out 5 minutes later to get ready to leave, and here we go. Too easy. Man, you're a pro. That was awesome. Well, hopefully those iPhone videos turned out, but yeah, that was AAA leaving to unlock the truck. But, you know, once again, when you lock your truck in the driveway and the AC runs for an hour and a half, it's nice and cool when you get in. So keep following me for more tips how to make your life easier. Ha! All right. Let's go pick up a load. So we're starting to load up right now. Heat index in Orlando is 108 degrees right now. So we got 3 of these, but they're like the air handler type. So it's gonna be requiring tarps. They're 8 foot tall. So we've got 8 foot drops. But what I'm gonna do is get everything loaded. I'm gonna chain the bottom, and then I'm gonna bring it over there under the trees in the shade. And that's where I'm gonna do the tarping. So back, then forward. So here we go. Well, there you have it. 3 air handlers, massive, right? So I'm gonna go chain, move it over to the shade, to the tarps, and then we'll get rolling. And once I got these things locked down with chains, I don't have to worry about straps anymore, right? 110. Now we start the tarps. It's hot, y'all. Well, there's tons of sharp edges across the top, so I'll put the moving blankets up. Now I'm about to load the tarp in. Well, guys, that's a shame you missed out in the last 3 hours. Let me show you how hot it is. Feels like 113 degrees out. 8-foot tall tarps. I will show you once we get a little farther north and I finally cool down, but here we go. To Michigan, $3,400, 1,180 miles for a total of $3 a mile. Well, let's do it. Well, here it is. My tarp job is not very good. I'm just gonna be adding, this is flapping around like crazy, but like I said, I did chains on the bottoms of all these things first. So, yeah. So we're just gonna get some more bungees on this thing. Go through, check out everything, have some lunch. Gonna try to get it done before it starts raining, so. Whew, man, oh man. So I basically couldn't think out there anymore because I was so hot. Like I said, that was brutal. But I didn't tuck the insides in and then put the flap over it. So everything, there's moving blankets across the top. But let's try this out. If they were 6 feet tall, life would be so much easier, you know? But they're not. 8 feet tall. Hopefully that angle works. There, flap over. So now the wind's gonna go like this and it should run down the side, right? I was just dragging a massive parachute the whole time. I'm just gonna add some more straps, but I'm gonna go get something to eat. We got rain coming, so I'm gonna try to get this done. So the heat has taken its toll on just about everything, including me. But we're retarps. Check it out, camera's back in action. What? That's looking tight on the wrap, on the tarp. Cooler, F1, means it's overheating. Plugged in the little fan. Got that bringing the air down there now. But yeah, it's just so hot. It was burning hot, the compressor on that thing, so. But we're making a good old wrap real quick. I went inside the turnpike thing and the lines were through the roof, and I was like, forget this nonsense, I have an RV. So here we go. We're not gonna get a whole lot of miles done today, but whatever. We're just getting started. Checked all the trailer hubs, tires, we're looking good. It's about to be some downpours happening, so we're gonna look at the weather after we enjoy this delicious wrap we have just prepared. With some Pringles. They were buy one get one free at Publix, so. Well, successful day and a half after all that loading. Really glad I fixed those tarps because it was raining like non-stop for about 5 hours after that. But yeah, I finished last night around 8 o'clock. Tonight finished around 7 o'clock. So I'm parked. I'm in Kentucky, 400 miles until Marshall, Michigan. That's where the drop is. So decided to just pull over and park at 7 o'clock, and so we've got like 2-3 hour shifts to get there tomorrow, and then we're good to go. So we are in the back. Internet is working here, so that's fantastic. I had to carry this box with as part of the load, so same with that one. So it's gonna feel like a mansion in here once that's out of the way. But anyhow, so we're trying something new. Chow mein noodles. So what I'm gonna do is just saute some of this chicken with peppers and onions, and then slap the chow mein noodles and the sauce right into the frying pan, and hopefully it'll come out good. So that's what we're gonna do for dinner. And no lights. Checked all my tire pressures 100% this morning. Checked the oil in the truck. Everything has been perfect, so God's watching out, and so far so good. So sorry there's no drama for everyone, but I kind of like it like this. So here comes a good meal, and then early bedtime, early rise, and we get up to Michigan hopefully around 2 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow. Can y'all see that right there? I might switch the angle, but hey, now we got tunes in the truck now too, so hopefully YouTube doesn't censor that or whatever, copyright it. What do you think? Got a winner here or what? Ow, my wrist. Uh-oh. I think we got a winner. I think there might be a little too much chicken and veg, but there'll be leftovers. Okay, this is not very saucy, but kind of looks like pho, doesn't it? I think we're good. Unfortunately, that made a mess. that was splashing everywhere. Oh well. What are you gonna do? What do we got, like 40 square feet? No, not even that much. Whatever. It's a pretty small space to do all this, but it's done. Let's try it out. Hotshot chicken lo mein, I guess it would be. Try the noodles. I've had worse. I forgot to say, I'm happy to be back. Thanks for watching.